How to generate a rig using the SKIN modifier. Add a plane. Press M and merge at center. Extrude with E. Go add the SKIN modifier. Add a mirror modifier and a subsurf modifier. Move the mirror modifier on top. Now, let's give this stick body a decent shape. Extrude with E, give segment on the body part, add subdivision. Change volume with Ctrl keys. Don't forget to keep the root on the groin area. Let's extrude the legs and a neck. Now, let's activate the clipping so that the center of the body is merged correctly. Be sure to add segments where there will be an articulation, elbow, knee, shoulder. Now we are ready. Let's generate the rig. Yes. Did it work? Let me know.